I'm Amir, teacher number 1. Today I want to explain you about the minimum and maximum intervals. To find the absolute minimum and maximum intervals of a continuous function on a closed intervals, first we have to find the values of f at the critical numbers in the intervals, find the values of f at the endpoints of the interval, and then plug it back in an equation, and the largest number that we get is a maximum, and then maximum values, and the smaller number is the absolute minimum interval. Okay, this graph has some increasing and decreasing part. The highest point is the maximum and the lowest point is a minimum. As you can see, the highest point is a maximum absolute interval and the lowest point is a minimum point, as these 2 points, but this one is an absolute minimum. Okay, now I'm going to explain you a sample question with the full solution. Okay, so this is our equation, fx, x to the power of 2 negative 7, x to the power of 2 plus 7 in a closed interval of negative 7 to 7. So first of all, we have to get a first derivative following the quotient rule. So we write it down, the equation following by the quotient rule, and this is the formula in case you forgot. And we continue to simplify, and then we come until to the last steps. So our f would be 0, one of our point would be 0. So we will simplify and we get a 0. But the other point, unfortunately, is undefined. And now we will go to the second step to plug the numbers into the original equation. So our numbers are 0, negative 7, and 7, and this is our original equation. So we start plugging our numbers into our equation. First of all, we try with a 0, we will get negative 1. And our second number would be negative 7. So we will just put the negative 7 in the formula, and then we just continue. So we will get a 4 over negative 3, and we simplify it. And then we will put the 7 into the original equation as it is, 7 in x, and then same thing as all the steps are shown. And we'll simplify it and we get 3 over 4. So our absolute minimum is the negative 1, our smallest number, and our largest number is 4 over 3, so it's our absolute maximum.